Today is 2025, January. You buy a new car. Very happy. It's a new car. It's one of the best cars. 2 months down the line, you say, a newer car. My car is old. I wish I had a new car. Next year, you come resentment. My house is old. The following year, my wife is old. What are you going to do? You're going to see everything not nice. Yes, because this is not the real life. The real life awaits you in Jannah. When you are the neighbor of, who's your neighbor? Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. Allahu Akbar. And who's the next door neighbor? Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, Ali. All the companions are your neighbor. What a beautiful life. Okay, how much do we have? It will go on forever, for eternity. So what am I doing here on earth? I'm talking to miserable people like you. No, inshallah, you're not miserable. I don't know. Anyhow, so going back, why then people don't believe in the Day of Judgment? Why do we have atheists, idol worshippers, disbelievers saying, no, there is no life after death? Because they are in denial. They know, deep down, wallahi, each one of them know that there is a Day of Judgment. But they don't want to tell you. They want to explore life. They want to indulge in haram. They want to do everything that answers their whims and desires. So they talk to you and say, there's no Day of Judgment. We Muslims, do we need anyone to explain or to convince us of the Day of Judgment? Yes or no? They fell asleep. I told you they're going to fall asleep. I told you. Again, we Muslims, do we need anyone to convince us that there is a Day of Judgment? No, because we believe in the Quran and the Sunnah. So as I believe that this woman is my mother, do you believe your mother is your biological mother? Do you have a DNA test? Maybe you were adopted. Still, without a DNA test, you will not say, you see my mother. Sometimes she behaves strange. No. She is your mother. Because this is a conviction you have in your heart. We Muslims don't need anybody to convince us. So how can we convince the atheists? There are many ways. But I think I've taken too much time, huh? How much time do I have? I'm finished? Questions? I didn't even scratch the surface. Why do I say that this is a very important topic? Because it deals with your aqidah. This is what you have to teach your children. This is what you have to teach your spouse. This is what you have to teach yourself. Because if you have strong belief in it, you're the strongest mu'min. Nothing can shake you. You are like a mountain. No matter how tornadoes come, you will not be moved a single centimeter.